So we're going to charge a Tesla Model 3 today using a wall connector installed at home. Usually it's connected to a isolator on top for security reasons. So let's turn it on, and the machine will then boot up on its own. So when it's in green, it's ready to charge. So the car can remain in lock mode. What you need to do is just to press on the button once and it'll open up, right? Plug it in and observe that the logo might change colors. Okay, now it's fully in. So see that it's turning green, and yeah, it's charging. Okay, it's charging. There you have it, how to charge from a wall connector.